Hi, grade 2. Hi, grade 2. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learner's Teacher Command Channel. Today, I will start lesson 3 in chapter 3, theme 3. But before I, lesson 4 in chapter 3, theme 3. But before I will start our chapter today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel. I hope to make share, like, subscribe to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Last class, we stopped here in this page. And as I told before, this page is important to to keep. Why? Because this page gives you the brief of what we took in 3 lessons. In last 3 lessons, we learned how what we learned in last 3 lessons. I have learned that the places where people live in Egypt are different from each other. Last class, we took the different habitats that people live in. We have farmland, we have city, we have desert. I use water in my daily life in different activities: drinking, watering the plant, and washing the pet animals. Natural sources of water are different from human-made and sources of water. Natural sources of water, we have rivers. We have human-made like water basin. Okay, let's go to lesson 4 today. Today we have a new lesson in this part, which is the Nile aquatic ecosystem. Let's go to know to read this dialogue and know what is the aquatic ecosystem. Let's know more about this. Read and learn, then answer the questions below. Interviewer, good evening. Our guest audience, today we will meet a very special guest, a very special guest who is an aquatic biologist. Hi, Dr. Sarah. Welcome to our program. Dr. Sarah, thank you. Dr. Sarah, could you tell me what does aquatic biologist mean? Dr. Sarah, first of all, aquatic is anything related to water. So we have aquarium, we have aquarium museum. You know, aquarium museum that is related with this this represent us all the water creations or water creations, all water creations that live in water. So aquatic is anything related to water, such as what? Animals and plants that live in or near water. The aquatic biologist is the scientist who studies these animals and plants. Interviewer, it sounds interesting. We say is surprising from what the biologist says. Would you like to share the audience and examples of animals that you study? Dr. Sar, nowadays I study tilapia fish. This is a kind of fish that we eat. Interviewer, say thank you, doctor, for your time and for the information. If anything related to water, what is this? Aquatic. Aquatic is anything related to. Aquatic biologist is a scientist who studies animals and the plants that live in or near what? In near water. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here is arrange the following words to know the ecosystem means. Then draw a picture below the aquatic system. So here is we write the ecosystem, the definition of ecosystem, and you draw to describe this definition. Okay, ecosystem means what? Ecosystem means what is the ecosystem? Ecosystem means that means uh, that has living and also non-living things, uh, living and non-living, and also non-living things, such as water, soil, and air, plants and animals. Any natural area. Ecosystem means so as I rearrange it. ecosystem is any natural area that has living and non-living things, such as water, soil, plants, water, soil, air, plants, and animals. Okay, this is the ecosystem. Here is we write the aquatic system as the biologist term. So you can describe this by drawing. I leave this to do it by yourself. Let's go to another activity. Aquatic turtle, crocodile, spinny eel. Spinny is similar like what grade think with me, guess with me. Spinny eel is like what grade 2 is like what like snake. Okay, let's read and answer the question below. It lives in the river Nile. It looks like a snake, but it's a fish. Which one? This one. So I tell you why I told you like snake, because to guess me that is like a snake. So I select this one by this one. It lives in aquatic ecosystem. Has a hard shell. It could be very big. Could be very big. Which one? This one. Aquatic turtle. Let's go to another one. It lives in the river Nile. It eats fish, birds, frogs, and other animals in the river. Which one? Which one is the without thinking the crocodile? Let's go to another exercise, to another activity. Here is my clean water plane. Here is in this picture, they would like to say how to make our river clean by don't throw the garbage on river. Keep don't throw the garbage. Factories must have must make a recycle for the garbage to don't throw its waste in the Nile. You can making the filter. You can what else in the river Nile? Uh, we can filtering the Nile water more than one time. Okay, so it's make the water clean. What can I do? Many things. I will leave it to do it. You can have many ideas and write it. So you can't must not throw natural wastes into the river Nile. Can throw natural natural resource natural waste in river Nile. You can't throw dead animals. You can't do through what? You can't throw a chemical waste. Chemical waste can't throw um, chemical waste also in the river Nile. Can't throw. Can't throw what? Can't throw what? Can't throw wastes. 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 Okay. Can't throw what else? Can't throw dead animals. Can't throw dead animals. Can't throw dead animals. Okay. Can't also do what? Can't also throw dead animals. Can't also what? Can't also uh, can't also throw the chemical waste. Can't throw chemical waste. So this is why how to can keep our Nile clean. Let's go to another one, and you describe it by drawing. Let's go to another one. Lesson 5. Egypt is growing. So when we say Egypt is growing, can we say Egypt is a child and then grow? No, it's not. This is not the meaning of growing. So if we can, you guess me that this title is talking about what? Talking about population. So in this item, I will talk about population. Okay, let's read the text and answer the questions below. Egyptians population, it grows year after year. So we are increasing year after year. Why? Because number of living people is increasing. Okay, and because we have more pairs every year. We have more pairs. So the population still what still grows. Population means the number of people living in a certain area. By the end of the year 2020, Egypt's population with about 105 million people. Cairo Governorate. Cairo Governorate is the most crowded governorate in Egypt sorry, as its population is over 9 million people. South Sinai is the least crowded. West Sinai is the least crowded governorate in Egypt, as its population is about 107,000 people. Let's answer the question below. The population is number of living people in certain area. This is right. Giza Governorate is the most crowded governorate. Wrong. Why? Because we told that Cairo is the most governorate. Why? Because it's what is the capital of Egypt. The population of Egypt by the end of 2020 will be what? Will be what million? Let's go to 2020. It will be 105. So the correct answer it will be 105. The population of Cairo is the space. The population of South Sinai is more than why? Because Cairo Governorate is the capital, and Sinai Governorate we have problems in Sinai Governorate, which is we have list of water, and it's not not have available the available life that we can live in. Okay, okay. So can't have a special can't have a suitable life to live in. So so Cairo is the more population than Sinai. Okay, because Sinai suffer from the list of water from list of water. Okay, let's go to another one. Use the following photographs like if this is a photograph. Answer the question. Key 10 chicken. Half will be 5 chicken. Okay. Here is the number of chickens hen is farm. The number of chickens same is farm. Okay. Here is January 1, 2, 3, 4. January here 1, 2, 3, 4. So both are equal in January. Let's go to February. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and the 5. We have 5 and here is half. So it would be 5 and half. Half means what? Means 5. Okay. Is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 10, and this is half. So it will be, and this is half. Okay. February 1, 2, 3. It's 3 you have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7. 1, 2 and a half. So in March, which one is bigger than? Which one is more than? Hands. In April, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 and a half. 1. Here is 1. So in April, hen is also has more than. The number of chicken Sammy's farm in April, it will be what? Hen Sammy's in April. Same is in April. It will be 1. So I will write here 1. The number of chickens hens farm in February. February it will be what? Let's go to February. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and a half. 5. It will be 5.5. So 5 and a half. It will be 5.5. Okay. Let's go to another one. The number of chickens Hans farm and at Hans farm and Sammy's farm are the same in what? Same in what? Same in January. It will be same in January. I told you when I explained the text, okay? January. The number of chickens at Hans farm, the number of chickens at Hans farm increases, decreases, doesn't change. In Hans farm, increases. No, it decreases. The number of chickens at Sammy's farm increases, decreases, don't change. No, it decreases. The number of Hani's farm is increases, and number of Sammy's farm is decreases. Okay, let's go to another one. Read the following paragraph and then use the photograph. This is a photograph, and we use it. Okay, we answer the question below. The population faces the Egyptian society as the number of people increases in Egypt, so they need more resources of the water supply, which is affected by that. As our population grows, it's important not to waste water. Population of Egypt. Here is the key 10 million, and this is 5 million. You have here 10 million. You have 60 and 1960, 10 million. 10 million, and here is half. Here is in 180, it will be here is 10, 10, it will be 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 million. Here is thousand, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, it will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, it will be 80 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, and up. It will be 10 times 10, it will be 10. Here is 10 million people. So it will be 10, 10, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 10 times. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 7. It will be like this. 10 times 7. It will be 70 million people. It will be 70 million. 70 million. Okay. Because is one number is 10, so I will make time 10 times what? Times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times 10, it will be 70 million. Times 10, it will be 70 million. 70 million. 70 million. Okay. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Here is of 10, 10, 10 times 10. It is 10 times 10. It would be, here is, it will be 100, 100, and here is 5. It will be half 100.5 would be 100 and half million. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's go to another one. So here is what we can say is 10 million. This is the person the person described 10 million. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 40. It will be what? 10 times 4 here. So it will be what? It will be 40 million. 40 million in what? In 1980. Okay, 1980. So the population is increased every year or not? Yes, increased every year. So every year the population increase. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's go to another one. The population of Egypt increases, decreases, don't change. We all know that the population in Egypt, of course, increases. In the space population, 40 million people. Yes, that I will told you in what? In 1980. Why is 40 million? Why this is 40 million? I will explain again. The one person describe 10 million. Describe 10 or acted as 10 million. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be 4 times what? 4 times 10. So the answer it will be what? We are all I think you took the timetable and know that we have 0 and 4 times 1 it will be 40. So the answer it will be 40 million people. Let's go to answer the question. This 40 million it will be in 100 and in 1980. As population grows, we should stay. Don't use water. Don't waste water. Waste more water. As population grows, it as population grows, uh, uh, we need more resources of water. We need more resources of water. Don't use water. No, don't waste more water. So don't waste more water. As increased, you must not you mustn't waste more water. Okay, you shouldn't waste more water. Okay, you shouldn't waste water. Okay, let's go to another item here. So, taking action means taking action, taking an action inside everything. In anything is wrong. Okay, match each picture to the suitable sentence that could help conserving water. Conserving water means what? Saving water. Wrong behaviors. How to conserve water. Okay, here is tell adults about any leaks. Tell adults about any leaks. This one, which one is picture? This one by this one. I steal this one by the I make this one by this one. Don't play using water. Which one is don't play using water? This one. Don't play with water using water with your friend. This one. This one means we have a gun or something a toy like this and put water in and then throw the water at each other. It's wrong to do this, to do so. It's the wrong behavior. Okay, don't play with using water with my friends like this. Okay, let's go to another one. Turn off the tap while brushing teeth. While brushing teeth, and you someone leave the water wasting. So it's wrong. When you brush your teeth, you must close the tape. Okay, turn off the tape while brushing the teeth. This is wrong. This is wrong behavior. Okay, don't use much water watering the plant. This one by this one. Let's go to another item here. Using electricity as well. As we know that we always ask use electricity in home. In what? In the refrigerator, in TV, in air conditions, in fan, in what? All the appliances in our home using electricity. So how we here we have picture that use electricity and other not use it. Television. Can we watch it? Can we turn on the television without electricity? No. So this use electricity. Yes. Here is this use electricity. This stripper. I can use a stripper. No. So it's no. You can use electricity with washing machine. Yes, important. Washing machine can turn without can't work without electricity. Computer, yes, computer. And now we have computer working with what? With a battery. Okay. So, but we have also computer with electricity. Okay. Let's go to another one. Pheasant we use pheasant in we use the pheasant to use electricity. No, here is can use electricity. Yes, can use electricity with vehicle. So I will tell you this. I will make spots on the things that we use it in. We use electricity. Okay, by this highlight. Okay, we have television, we have computer, washing machine, heater. This is the appliances that we use electricity. Okay, let's go to another one. Here is, as we told before, to save water or conserve water. We here conserve what? Conserve the electricity. Use fans instead of air conditioners. Yes. Here is, use fan instead of air conditioners. We can turn off the light if you can't sit in the room. Yes. Don't leave the computer. You don't leave the computer opening all the day. Yes, you can't sleep inside the TV and leave the TV opening. Yes, so all this help us to turn off to conserve the electricity. Yes, I will write it to you here. Turn off, turn off the light if you can't in the room. The light of the room that can't be set in, of the room that can't sit in, that the room that can't sit in, the room of the room that can't sit in, that can't sit in. It can sit in. Let's go to another one. Don't use the computer. Don't leave 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 the computer. Or play the video game. You can limit the time. Limit the time that you play video game. Limit the time. Limit limit the time that you play video game. Limit time to play video game. Limit the time to play. Limit the time to play video game. Limit the time. Limit the time when you play video game. The time of playing video game. Of playing. Limit the time of playing video game. Of playing video game. Of playing video game. Playing video game. Sorry. Turn off the TV while sleeping. While sleeping. Let's go to another one. Here is also a text, and we have pictures below. Let's answer this text. Read the following paragraph and try sorry, to answer the pictures below. Plastic garbage is a big problem that faces all countries. We can't get rid of plastic waste in a short period of time because the plastic we use will still be useless or thousands of years or useless for thousands of years, and it pollutes the environment. Thanks to scientists, we could use plastic to make a fuel. One of these scientists is an Egyptian teenager called Azza Abd al-Hamid Fayed, I think. Azza Abd al-Hamid Fayed. Azza developed a way to use plastic to make fuel that can be used as the source of energy to power our cars. Azza's idea helps solve the problems at a time as it helps get rid of plastic wastes and it provides a source energy too. Let's answer the question below this text. Plastic waste could last for space years. Last for what? Last for what? Last uh, for thousands of years, thousands of years. This one, in the middle, okay? We can use fuel too to do what? To power our cars. We can, without thinking, we can use fuel to what? Fuel is kind of energy. So we use fuel to what? Energy to power your car. So it will be this one, okay? As this idea helps get rid of plastic waste only, this answer it will be wrong. Not get west, not get raised the west of not get others. Don't get rid of plastic only, but what else? Uh, still useless. Plastic to make a fuel. Use it to make a fuel. So it will be wrong. It will be wrong because it use the plastic to make a fuel. This is a brief of what we took. This page I would like to study by heart. I will read it and I hope to study this page too, because this page gives you the brief of what we told during that chapter. Aquatic means anything related to water, such as animals and plants that live in or near water. Called aquatic biologist is the person who studies animals and plants that live in or near water. These are animals that live in the Nile aquatic ecosystem, such as crocodile, tropia fish, aquatic turtle, spiny eel. We should keep the river Nile clean. We should keep the river Nile clean. Population means the number of people living in a certain area. As the population of Egypt increases, we should conserve our resources. As population increases, you must know this sentence very well. As population increases, you should conserve our resources. You should conserve our resources. Next class, I will start lesson 6. I will stop here today. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.